keyboard shortcuts to add and delete rows and columns in Excel. Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for organizing and analyzing data. Here are some tips on how to add and delete rows and columns in Excel with short keys. Shortcut keys to add rows in Excel. To add a new row in Excel, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. First, press Ctrl and Shift and plus on your keyboard. Alternatively, right-click on the selected rows and select Insert to add new rows. Deleting rows in Excel. To delete a row in Excel, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. First, select the row you want to delete by clicking on the row number. Then, press Ctrl and minus sign on your keyboard to delete the row. Adding new columns in Excel. To add a new column in Excel, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl and Shift and plus on your keyboard to insert new columns. Alternatively, right-click on the selected columns and select Insert to add a new column. Deleting columns in Excel. To delete a column in Excel, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. First, select the column you want to delete by clicking on the column letter. Then press Ctrl and minus sign on your keyboard to delete the column. Inserting line breaks in Excel. To insert a line break in a cell in Excel, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. Press Alt and Enter on your keyboard to insert a line break. Enabling filter button in a column. To enable a filter button in a column in Excel, you can use the following keyboard shortcut. First, select the column you want to filter by clicking on the column letter. Then press Ctrl and Shift and L on your keyboard to enable the filter button.